Ganda na lang lights nila. Ang ganda. Ganda.
Akala ko late na ako.
Ay! Hindi! Kasi sabi mo 5:35 na, hindi kami. Let's go! Ang dami namin dumating.
Tama kagi bell banyo.
Oh, beautiful lights. I'll do it. Bye.
Hey, Marmele.
Hello, Grace. How are you? Oh, you have a Santa suit. Merry Christmas! Look at the food. We're here. Ayan, meron tayong menudo, meron spaghetti. We have chicken. Oh, palabok. That's salmon. Salmon,
I get yelled
yes.
at because we got the small tequila.
Well, I don't know why. Maybe this is the chop, right? Okay, I'll just serve the
I wanted to tell you.
I know, I'm sorry.
Ito yung first lumpia, be?
Yes, yung ano yan dala ni Ate Che. Okay,
Kalame.
okay, mama. And then what is the other one on the white container? Is that the barbecue sauce?
This is barbecue.
Okay, gotcha.
That's
Ayan, embotedo. Ano yan? Hala! May ikaw nagdala? Oh, wow! Meron tayong sinigang yung paborito mo. Oh, diba? Alam mo ba, marami kami ngayon. Pero po, nadami so.
Ano, serving ito na lang para sa
Ayan.
barbecue.
Halika na. Inom muna para...
Meron din tayo. Inuman na sila. Ay, anong klaseng ano to? Oh, yan. Oh, ano to?
guy.
Ay, sa... Oh. Dami. Merry Christmas!
Pwede na yan. Warm na.
Okay na yan.
Ano, serving spoon?
Sisig ni Jocelyn. Matikman na nga.